I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, see things you don't